Hey people, so we've come to this cute little store that is at the ground floor of Forum Mall, and if you were to take a look, it's quite a collection. See what I got myself. So this little I got for like a 250 bucks, and so we have this very helpful young lady here with us. Most people are a little nervous about coming on camera, तो सबसे ज़्यादा बिकने वाले प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे कौन से होंगे? ऑक्सीडाइज्ड इयररिंग्स. It is quite a collection, as you can see. I found out about the price of some of these. It runs into either 2K or 1,250. It's just so impressive. Wow. Good. I can even take a look at the rings. So this is at the ground floor of Forum Mall. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.